So here we have the Hyundai Tucson on a 67 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside though, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of it from there. As we approach the back of the car, you'll see we have reversing sensors. Plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in excellent condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think that's what we're seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the middle, you can see the total miles of the car, which is 71,475. Above that, we have a digital readout for the speedometer. You can change the information displayed there by using buttons on the steering wheel. There are different menus available as well, from satellite navigation, vehicle systems, your audio, car service information, and user settings. If we back out to the steering wheel, the buttons I was using just a moment ago are here. We have cruise control and speed limiter over there as well. On the left-hand side, we have stereo and phone controls. The phone controls can only be used after such time as you pair up the phone, which is done over on the touchscreen in the center just here. You'll also see that it's got satellite navigation, which is a lovely, clear, very easy system to use. You can access your radio from here. This car has got, as you'll see, DAB, FM and AM radio. If you want to listen to your own music, you can do. Nothing is connected at the moment. You can connect up with an auxiliary device, a USB device as well. You can even stream your music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio should you wish to. So plenty of ways in which to listen to your music in this car. Working our way down from there, we have dual zone climate control. So you can adjust the passenger and driver temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed and determine where you'd like the air to be distributed. When you're happy with those settings, that button turns your air conditioning on. You'll turn it off again as well, of course. Or hit auto. In doing so, the car will now maintain the temperatures you've asked for by taking full control of the fan speed and the direction of the air. Any overriding of that will immediately turn auto off, as you've just seen there. We have a heated driver's seat and a heated passenger seat, both with 3 different heat settings on each. 2 12-volt charging sockets, as well as the auxiliary and USB inputs. We have a 6-speed manual gearbox, and then these buttons just here. So you can turn the parking sensors off, you can turn the stop and start off, and these two I'll show you up here. So the green symbol that's just come onto the right-hand side lets you know you've turned on downhill brake control, and then you can put the steering mode in either normal or sport as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Mach 1 Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.